Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about operators in Java. Before that, we need to one of students asked one question: why characters use 2 bytes in Java, and what is flag u of 0000? It is a very important question he has asked. Actually, it is because Java uses Unicode system, not ASCII code system. The flag U of 0000 is the lowest range of Unicode value. Unicode system. If you want to elaborate more about Unicode system, it's nothing but the universal international standard character encoding that is capable of representing most of the world's written languages. Before that, why Java uses Unicode system? Because there are many protocol standards here. Before Unicode, there were many language standards like ASCII, ISO, KOI, and the China protocol. There are many language standards. Actually implementing this system. There were this caused two problems because one of the problems is a particular code value correspond to different letters in the various language standards. Second problem that the encoding of for languages with a large character set have variable length, large character set with variable length. Okay, some characters, common character are encoded as single byte, other require 2 or more bytes. So in order to encounter those problems, new language standard was developed, that is the Unicode system. In Unicode system, actually flag 0000 is the lowest point, that is lowest value. Then flag 00 type flag is the highest value of the value. Then in Unicode character hold 2 bytes. So Java also uses 2 bytes per character. Okay. Let's come to the next topic, operators in Java. Okay, operators, the previous example then we take, okay, we will take operators. Operators in Java. Okay, operator in Java is a symbol which is used to perform specific operation. For example, plus, minus, star, slash, you may heard of. There are many types of operators like unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relational, bitwise, logical, ternary, assignment operator. Don't worry, it's very easy. I will explain with the example. Let's first talk about the unary operator. Unary operator. Okay, let's talk about our same example. What is the unary operator? Class sample. Then we are declaring a main function. Then we will delete these two again. S equal to 10. Next, it is initial. We are initializing local variable. Then we want to display the output, right? What is that? Yes, plus plus. Let's copy this statement. It is a unary operator, type of unary. Then paste. We'll talk about minus also. Then place. Okay. Then it plus plus is, there is a difference between those two, minus minus. Then minus is nothing. If we declared the value, okay, h equal to 10, then what happens if you increment the operator? First it will be displayed as 10, but the next iteration it will be declared as 11. but only in the next iteration. But in plus s, first iteration itself is 11, then 12, it will keep on increasing. Same as minus to 12. Okay, actually value will be changed because 12, then increasing the order, actually we get 11, then it will be 12, then 12 after iteration value will be displayed at 11, and minus it will be declared as 10. I hope you understand. Don't worry, what are those things. We will save this output. Then we need to run this program. Okay, we got a similar output like 10, 12, 12, 11, 10, 12, 12, 11. Okay, same output. Sorry, 12, right? Because 11, then after 12 will be incremented. Then this is 12, initial value is 12, 11 will be decremented to 11 next iteration. Then if we decrement by minus s, we will get a 10. This is unary operator. Next, if you want more example regarding unary operator, if you find the confusion in this program, let's talk about two variables like a and b. Let's talk, we will keep it as a 10 only. Then int b equal to 10. Okay, let me remove these two example rest. If we want to display what is a plus plus, then we are adding with plus a. Then okay, let me explain this. What is the a plus value? Initially 10, so commenting 10 plus, after incrementing it will be 11, then plus a, it will after incrementing by 1 we will get 12 equal to 22. Similarly, we will type b plus b plus. Okay, to avoid confusion. Here initial value is 10 plus, after incrementing by 1 value will be incremented, then it will be 11 equal to 21. Only difference is this, because next if we declare one increment operator, then after second increment it will be increased by 1, but in this case it will be incremented at next step only. But in this case it will be incremented at previous step itself, because if we declare plus a plus, then 11 plus 12 will be declared, right? Okay, let me save this example. Let me verify that if it's true or false. Okay, we got output 22, 21. See, both same output we got. This is a unary example. There are many other unary example like tilde symbol and exclamatory marks. Okay, let's talk about if you want to practice those. If you declare minus 10, then we will talk about this. Okay, this option and exclamatory option. What does it do? Okay, Let's talk about Boolean. And actually, in the last class, we declared about, explained about what are the variable types, what are the how many values are stored in between two. Limitations. What are the limits in between two 1 minus 127 to 27? We declared in the previous class itself. Well, in Boolean, there are two variables actually stored in here, true and false. Otherwise, 0 and 1 you can declare like typical like that. If let's check Boolean d equal to false. Okay, I want to check one thing. Okay, semicolon is very important. If you declare that, then program will be get over. Let's talk about tilde symbol of a. What is the meaning of that? Minus of positive value which start from 0. Minus of total positive value would start from 0. Then what does that mean? 11 minus 11. Minus of total positive value start from 0 only. Not to mention everyone confused with start from 1. Then minus 10 is the answer. Why it's a problem here. So this is very important. Minus 11 will be the output. I will show you the output then. If we declare B is minus 10 already here. What is this? Minus of total minus. Positive start from 0. Okay, minus means positive or total minus. Then what will be the output? 9. I hope you understand between these two difference. It is the minus of total positive value which start from 0, minus of minus 10, it will be 11, minus 11. Then it is here positive or total minus. Positive start from 0. Then minus or minus 10, minus plus 1. I mean positive or total minus means you will get 9. Okay, and if you want to declare elementary of G, it's nothing but we have declared G had true, then it is nothing but the opposite of the Boolean value, and we get false will be the output. Then again we are copying this same example. We will see it will be true. Then save that program. Then I want to run that program. What we get the output? Sorry. Control. We get minus 11, 9, false, true, as expected. Okay, some people are doubting this some people want to change this variable. Okay, let's see. I want to declare 15. What will be the output? Tell me. If 15 is 14. 14 will be the output. Simple. Minus of minus 15 plus 1. Minus of minus 15, you will get plus 15 minus 1, then we will get 14. It is a simple. I used to remember that. Okay. I hope you understand. Output will be 14. Okay, thanks for the confirmation. Let's talk about arithmetic operator. Operator example like a plus b, a minus b. It's very simple. If you want to execute that output, I will teach you how to execute. Okay, A plus B. I'm sure you will complete this job. Here A star of B, A modulus of B, A by B, it is very different. We note it. A modulus of B. Okay, it is a division, then it is a remainder. It is a quotient type, remainder type. Okay, this is output we will get. Here 15, A plus B is 15, A minus B is 5, A star of B 50, 5 into 10 50. Okay, A by B 2, what will be the output here? 0. We will get a remainder 0 in and if we divide 10 by 5, we get a remainder 0. Okay, let me execute it. Okay, as expected we got same output. Okay, let's talk about left shift, right shift. What is the different logical operator? There is very easy. Don't panic. Okay, left shift. It is used to shift all the bits in the value to the left side of a specified number of times. That is the left shift. Okay, if I want to, let me remove this. I want to declare 10 left shift of 2. What is that? What does that mean? It means 10 multiplied 2 to the power of 2 equal to 10 multiplied by 4 equal to 40. I hope you are, it may be a little confusion. I will explain again. If you want a tree, what does not mean? 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Hope you understand that statement. 10 star of 8. Okay, 10 cube is 8. Okay, output will be 80. Okay, what if I declare 20 here and power is not 10, but we will declare 20, then star, same here, same thing above. Okay, result will be, I think 80 will be output. 20 into 4, 80. Okay, what if I declared 15 4, left shift of 4, then 15 into 2 to the power of 4. Simply how to remember this? Okay, I understand your point. Let me remove this one, don't need it. Let me save this. See, first I want to run this to confirm that statement. Okay, I got it expected. Okay, 240, 80, 240. Okay, I got it. Here output will be 240. Then see 10. How to remember? I am telling about how to remember left shift operator. Like first we want to imagine 10 left shift of 2 means 10 star of 2 square. If left shift of 3. Left means 2. You can you can think of that. Left shift means 2. 10 power 10 power 2 cube 2 square, 10 power 2 cube, 20 power 2 square, 15 power, I mean 15 into, oh sorry, I confused that myself, 15 into 2 to the power of 4, 20 into 2 to the power of 2 square, 10 into 2 to the power of cube, 10 into 2 square. That is the difference. Nothing that we will talk about a right operator. Very similarly, but a little variation. We talked here about that. Okay, it's nothing more. Okay, I don't need each one. I let each will be 20. Then I don't want this. 2 examples sufficient. If possible, 20 square. Okay, let's add also. Okay, what is this different is we multiply in this left shift operator. Here we will divide. Main difference is we divide those operators. Like if you want to understand in a practical way, I will explain you that. Then it divide 4. 4 means how many? 2. 20 by 4. Right, 20 by 4, not right here. 20 by 4, right? 20 by 4 equal to 5. Let me run this. Okay, it is not 5. Okay, let me run this program. Here we got output. I mean this one 2 and next one is 5. Okay, this is the output. How to remember is if you are confusing with left shift operator, right shift operator, how to remember when to multiply, when to divide. Let's talk about practical in life. If you have many problems in your life, if you want to divide it, then you need to take a right of action. When you are taking a right step, then it means right shift. If you divide the problem, you will get a lesser problem. If you multiply the problem, you will get more problems. Then left shift. You can learn about it. Right means you are dividing the problem, which means you are actually facing those problems. Then divide those number of problems will be less. Then we get a right shift. You are getting a right thing, that is problems. So I thank you thank you for the compliment. One of the students find it useful. Let's talk about what is the difference between these two. Okay, suppose let me explain this by example. Okay, 2. Delete it because I don't need it anymore. Okay, let's see. 20. Sorry, 2. For positive number, very important point to remember. For positive number, both were same. What if same point are negative number? Then if we declare a minus 20 here, like let's copy this, then paste same. If we declare minus 20, here we will get a same output for these two. We will get a 22 means we get output 20 is the right step. We are dividing that, then output will be 5. Then the same output. What about minus 20? Then we get a minus 5. And if we declare a triple right shift, then we will get something garbage value, like very big portion. Because for negative numbers, this operation changes parity bit to 0. Parity bit means MSB, minimum significant bit. Okay, let me run this program. As expected, we got a garbage value type. We get something random type bit 5 minus 5. Any doubts on this question? Okay. 20 by 2. I told you to divide it. This question. Okay. Then I hope it's okay for today. That for today only. We will talk about logical and bitwise and logical. What is the main difference between the two? AND operator. Using OR operator, we will talk about logical OR and bitwise OR. And practical exams, I mean, using ternary operators. Then assignment operator we will talk about. There are so many things. I hope that's all for today.